Ever stared at code you didn't write and had absolutely no idea where to start? The simplest way AI can help is also the most powerful. Just paste the code and ask it to explain what it does. You can drop in a function, a class, or even an entire file, then ask something like, "What does this code do?" The AI will read through it and give you a plain English explanation of its purpose and behavior. No documentation required. One of the best things about AI explanations is that you control the depth. Ask for a high-level summary to quickly grasp the big picture, or ask it to walk you through the logic line by line. If one specific part still confuses you, just ask a follow-up until it finally clicks. AI is also excellent for decoding specific patterns, libraries, or syntax you've never seen before. Maybe you encounter a React hook, a Python decorator, or a Kubernetes manifest. This makes AI especially valuable when you're onboarding to a new codebase. You can get up to speed fast without constantly interrupting your teammates. AI is your on-demand code tutor. Paste it, ask it, and learn faster wherever you land. Try it on your next code review. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.